The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Good morning, good morning. Don, Deepak, Dennis. Guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 5th. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Scott, good morning. Thank you, folks. Nick, good morning. Today is Wednesday, guys, which means I will not be running my crude robots. I do not run crude on inventory day, as you guys know. Of course, I missed a losing trade here and a winning trade. No, winning trade here. Right, I'm not using the trail, so that would have been a big winner, big winner. But nonetheless, I don't run my bots. Good morning, Barry, Fernando, Jacques. I don't run my bots on Wednesday on crude. Currently, we've had a few bot trades. We've got $160 green on Natty Gas. And we have 125 green on NASDAQ. Nothing to write home about. Markets are slow. Currently, NASDAQ's down about 100. ES is off 33. YM down 270. EMD off 24. Russell off 22. Gold is back down $15 after running into a trend line. I'll show it to you. Pretty much right across the board except for Walmart, which is up 65 cents, and Baba. Baba and Baidu are both green. Other than that, we're pretty much a sea of red. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For some of you, it is your third day. For several of you, it is your second. Two of you started yesterday, so good morning and welcome back. It was a very good order flow trade yesterday. Bots finished green overall yesterday. Crude did not help, but the primary instruments, NASDAQ was green. ES has not taken a trade yet this week, which is interesting. And natural gas was large green. 10-year note was up moderately. In any event, good morning. Welcome back. I will do as I do every day. Good morning, Stuart. I will do as I do every day. I will read the disclaimer, and then I will look at charts. I'll show you what I've got, what I think. I think personally, after two very big up days, we are due for some consolidation, choppy little movements, and or a down day. I'll show you what I'm seeing on charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Morning, Tom. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. As the ES has to break 66. It's holding that. Look, we're holding support here on the ES. 74. My target is 62, now 61 maybe. NASDAQ should trade down to 511. NASDAQ stop can drop to 547. NASDAQ now has 51 net buyers. 51. Another goofy bounce. Come on, 62. I mean, this could trade in the session, I think, back to 45. We just need a little bit of rumbling here. Some volume. Give me that 15 range. Give me a new 15 range close candle. Maybe 65 quarter, 65 to a quarter should give me a new candle. NASDAQ target is 511. Somebody commenting. Let me just see if we've got any speakers today. Today is Wednesday. Bostic speaks. We'll be at 1600, so we're not even here. Come on, ES, let's go. 62. NASDAQ 511. 511 NASDAQ. ES 62. We'll give it a small bounce. Guys, as always, trade as you see fit. Slow and slower. Slow and slower. This could be a choppy day. We're coming down, guys. I'm telling you, we're coming down. There's nowhere to go for the ES unless they find some significant buying to get through 60-minute and then 240-minute. Same with the NASDAQ. We now have a whopping negative delta of 67 contracts in the NASDAQ. The ES 55, 5,400. Natural gas turning over. Let me just see gas here. Natural gas is short, 675. It's holding a little bit of hourly support at the top of the cloud, but target would be 65.98. All right, there's 62 and change, 62.50. There's your target on NASDAQ. 11 target hit on NASDAQ. Target hit on NASDAQ. You now have a 66.0 target on ES. But you have 8 handles in it. Trade it as you see fit. NASDAQ's bouncing off that 11. So that was target on NASDAQ, not quite within 2 ticks on ES. It could pop back to 67 where it's reshortable. My sense is they're going to sell on the next hourly candles. They will sell in the next hour. I'm going to get away from a weekly and go back to a daily here. See what we look like on a daily basis. Yeah, we didn't quite get to the 21-day moving average, 38.25. On EES. If you guys want to take risk off, take it off. If you have NASDAQ, you should be out. Got first target and break even. You guys good? ES. Okay, nice. 4 handles on the ES. Nice job. Okay, got target, Albert. Yeah, it was pretty slow and sloppy. That's why I hate pre-market. If anybody is interested, Canadian building permits was a beat. They built 9 houses in Saskatchewan. Sorry, guys. You know, keeping it light. That's right. I'm here all week. Looking at selling SPX and so a call credit spread. You want a call credit spread, right? Yeah, I agree with that. I concur. I don't think we're going up. Guys, we have a couple of people that are in the trade room that do not have active memberships. I will be sending you emails today. Everyone is welcome, but if your membership is expired, meaning you bought the bot and it's more than 3 months, you have no active membership. By virtue of owning the bot, that doesn't give you unlimited membership. So I just want to put that out there. Bounce back up. Anybody long gold, guys, at 22? Okay. I have a small first target at 24. I mean, these indices could be less than fun to trade today. The last 2 days have been a blast. This could be just a chop fest. Thank you for that, Greg, on crude. Target on the short on the ES is now 59. 59. First target on Doug on CL is Greg. What was your first target? That wasn't my trade, guys. That was a friend of mine who is arguably the best trader I know. 87.32, but trade him as you see fit. We can get 87.83 today if we can get hourly up. We need to get above 87.15, previous hour high. So trade, if you're in crude, I didn't give that as a room trade because the stop was $86. So many of you would not take that trade. But if you took gold, a crude, then you're good to go. I would take some risk off though. ES target, guys, on the downside is 59 and maybe 55. $200 buyers. God dang it, why does this thing keep doing this to me? Both targets hit. That should have been 2 contracts off for another $200. Natural gas is coming down. Let me take a look around. I'm watching these charts, guys. ES back above 60, 70. Headed toward resistance at 78. See what happens there. Still small buyers, guys. Really small buyers. 142 in the first 3-minute bar. 150 in this bar. Small negative delta. 400 cars. We traded to the point of control on the NASDAQ at 39. Take a look. All right. Sellers showing up again on the NASDAQ. $250, $260. $80, $700. I'm going to try short on the NASDAQ, guys. I'm short 26.75. 26.75. 400 sellers in this candle. And we're just sitting here. Come on. I won't hold this much longer. They're buying some back. Come on, flop over. Got a break here. 22. 22. Come on, 24. Break this. All right. Still sellers, guys. I need this to fall back below 20. 20 half. Come on, sellers. Got buyers in here. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Fall below 20. Below 20, we come back 496. There it is. Below 20. Come on. Come on, sellers. Here we go. 400 more. Negative delta now 1,400. 1390. Come on. 1397. Small buyers holding this thing here, guys. Come on. Come on. 96.75. Golly. Closing in on 1,500 net sellers. Target number one I have is 508. If you're short 26, 508. 508. Come on, dog. There's target one right there, 508 from 26. Holding one standard deviation at 12. There we go. Boom, target one hit. Target one hit and filled. Free trade. Stop goes to break even if you're trading more than one. Now I'm trying to get to 460. We have 2,100 net sellers. Next target down is 97. Next target down is 97. Target one is hit. Okay? So our next area, small area of support is going to be 97. Right there. Boom! Target hit. Now we're trying to get down to 75, guys. 75 on the NASDAQ. Right here. 75. It's almost a 50 handle trade if we get that target, guys. Stop is break even. You can move stop down to 12. Call it 13 from 26 area. You can move stop to 13. Maybe 14. Just above that 34. 14. 75. Next target down. Come on. I said 75, not 80. We're at 2,500 net sellers. 2,500 and growing. Here comes 75. Come on. Give me that. I want the whole shot. You can drop stop down to 03. Lock in 20 plus handles. You can take your runner off if you'd like. We're holding the bottom of a small buy zone at 78.75. Should come down now. It could pop back to 97. Stop is 03. 30 buyers to losing buyers already. Lost them all. 25 closing in on 2,600 net sellers. Come on, rat bag. Stop is 97. Stop is 97. I don't have time, Paul. Stop is 97. Handles is a point. Come on, give me that 75. 25.50 on the net sellers. Here comes the flush. Come on. Come on. I want stop guys at 96. Trying to hold this small damn buy zone in here. I want this to flush down to 65 ultimately, but I got to get this third target here. Okay, held stop by 3 handles. Come on. Don't pop up on me. No buyers. Sellers are pressing the hell out of them. 25.50. We're just kind of hanging out at now 6. Now it's growing. 60. Buyers are trying in here, guys. Stop is 96. Come on, don't do it. Got 112, losing some buyers. 107 net buyers. 100, 105, 110. Come on, flush them. Puke them up, baby. We're coming to 460. We're coming to 460. Come on. Come on. Oh, my God. Got it. Okay. Next level down, guys, is 66. Below that is 60. If you're running them, we're going to 60 now. We're going to 60. Come on. Call it 61. I now want stop at 88. 88. This could bounce up and take us out at 88, but that's okay. If you took all the risk off at that last target at 75, if you're trying to get a bigger move, 88. Here it comes. Come on. 2,750 net sellers again, holding minor support at this 74.5 area. Didn't hit 88. Your stop is 88. Come on down. Come on, baby. Here it comes. Next target, guys, 61. Next target is 61. We'll get a bounce off 61. Come on. 45 net buyers in this 3-minute bar. 60 net buyers. No bot trades to show, or I'd show them. Held stop by a couple of ticks at 88. Literally a couple of ticks. Come on, 60, 61. Come on, put your foot in their throat. 20, 20, back to 27. Sellers are pressing. Sellers are pressing. U.S. Services PMI at 945. Come on, NASDAQ. 60. If we break 60, we're coming 440. Below 60, we're coming 440. So if we can stay in the trade and get below 60, we're coming 440. We're just holding this damn pivot. It's broken. Come on, press them here. This is where they have to press them, 74, 75. Look, we're holding this damn support here. There it is. Come on, break that. What we want to do is get below this. This thin area in the profile is doom. Doom. We're holding the bottom of value by a fingernail. Sellers are pressing them, guys. They're going to win. Come on. Come on. 49.3, 1/10 higher than expected. Stop can drop to 86. Oh, I don't know that 2 handles is going to matter. Let her go, baby. Let's go. Polish central bank could intervene in the foreign exchange market. We've got to break 60. We come 440. 2,500. We've been as high as 27.28 on a closing 3-minute bar. Stop is 86. Stop is 86. Next target down is 63 if we can get rolling here. 61. Here we go. Come on. Sellers back in. Come on, give me that 61. Now it's fighting that 74.56 area, which was support, is now kind of acting as resistance. Come on, fail. Fail. Got 110 sellers in here, 20 sellers, 120. It's got some buyers trying in here. Right off this low, it's holding this low volume area, guys. Look, this is, if this breaks that support, I showed it to you in pre-market. If that breaks, this whole area in here is pretty damn thin. All right, you're out of the trade. Break even, or, trailer is out. You're flat. Unless, you want to hold them, it's your prerogative. All right, fellas, so that was a 26. Even down to, if you took it off at 75-ish, we didn't get another target down at 60, but that's still 40 handles, 800 plus per contract. Everybody good? Unless you panicked and took 5 points when you could have gotten 40. Anybody good? Everybody good? Okay, guys. All right, NASDAQ defended that low volume area, guys. For now. We could pop back to 520 from here. If I get a candle close here, up here, if you guys want a scalp. 2 more funded accounts. Nice job, Carl. Full candle close here, you can take it long to 20. It's just a dipshit trade, but that would be first target. You could be long here for first target at about 19. I'm not taking it, but I think it goes. It's not a trade I'm interested in. It's a scalp, and then we could get a run back to VWAP. I'm still shorts, guys. Overall, we are shorts. The only way this gives me any kind of long is above that hourly at 540. And then here's ES. It's 60-minute resistance at 78. We traded up to 77. I could have sold the ES as well. And then 240-minute resistance here at 89. And then I've got this 85, which was major resistance on the move up, became major support. Now again, major resistance. So we got the opening move. Yeah, I'm not paying attention. I'm not touching CL. Bot would have had 2 more winning trades, a long and a short. I don't have it on Wednesdays. It is crude inventory day. I have no interest at this point in playing with crude. Additionally, we have an OPEC plus meeting. I have 0 interest. You can try along right here at 500. 500. Additionally, we have OPEC Plus with a decision coming out. And I got to believe a lot of this is baked in. If anybody took 500, your target one is net 19. 19. If you took it earlier, it's still a 19 target. One. We do have net buyers over the last 12 minutes. We're down to 1,900, going below 1,900 net sellers. We're pushing the 20-period moving average on a 15-minute chart. It's still trying to go up, fellas. Some sellers showing up here. They're getting bought. Sellers are pressing them again. It could come back 87. I still think it goes 19 first. ES flat. ES has gotten not quite 70 back. So much for CL coming down. Ryan. I'll look at it for you. CL, if you're going to short it, would be below 47. I won't touch CL. Yeah, that would have been a good short. I mean, that would have been the correct entry at 45. I have 47, so close enough for hand grenades. I'd like to see NASDAQ push up to that 19. Somewhere between that 19 and 30 is a short. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. I don't have a trade in here. Overall, we are shorts. We are hourly shorts, 10-minute shorts. Let me just look at 1 minute is long. It's the only chart that's up. As soon as this 1 minute flips, I'll have a 1, 3, 5, and 10, as well as 60 red. The 1 minute won't flip. Here it comes. It's going to flip now. Below 73. Below 70, there's your short, 73, 74. The 1 minute flipped. They're all time frames I have shorts. I still have a 60 target, but if we break 60 is where you get the trade is 440. We're just dinking and dunking around here, guys. ES can't get above 70 or at least close above 70. I have nothing on crude. Not natural gas, nothing. Let me look at grains. Jesus. Wheat took off like a rocket. There was a big move right at 9:30 on wheat. Up. Soybeans, nothing. And corn, nothing. SPYs are basically, they gap down. SPYs in shorts on the small time frame. I won't take the trade. I won't take it. I will not take a trade on SPY. SPY could pop back to 75.65. SPY, the 1 minute is turning up. 5 minute is attempting. I told you guys today at the onset, we had 2 huge up days. Today could be very choppy and sloppy. We have non-farm payrolls on Friday. $400 buyers in this 3-minute bar, current bar. 426, 428. Momentum to the downside is waning. We've got 3.5 minutes to new 15-minute bar. And hourlies. Let's see, Arjan, what you got? ES order flow. You saw 500 contract seller at 37.60 in the 910 candle. I don't pay any attention to pre-market. We had since then resistance at 60. Did he defend his 500 buy order? So somebody shorted, sold. Yeah, but here's the thing. You don't know. Nice job, Chris. See you tomorrow. Day's made. We don't know if that's a short cover or an initiating a new short. 500 contracts is a big size. That's an institution. That's not a retail trader. If it is, I don't know any retail traders trading 500 cars at once. I know none. I don't think I've ever known one. My guess is, if I had to guess, Ozzy does. Ozzy trades 500 cars. Nice. More guts than I have. There's a long on the bot on the NASDAQ. Simming and grinning. All right, there's your crude. But again, I am reluctant to trade crude 30 minutes ahead of inventory. I still think this thing has 900. ISM services coming up. OPEC Plus has agreed to 2 million barrel per day cut. Probably long crude. Let me look at crude. No reaction. Absolutely no reaction. Production cuts begin in November. Convenient. Tough. It's a beat. 56.7. 56.7. It's a beat. It's a beat. Let it settle down. Here comes, there's 60. Below 60, we're going 440. $454 is where we're headed now. 454. Let them settle down, fellas. There it is, 54 hit. NASDAQ, of course, is lagging. Copper turned over, hard, crude sold. Let them settle down, guys. Let them settle down. You don't want to get in this fracas. Copper is selling. Close of this bar, you got a short on copper. Short copper. If you trade copper, short copper. Here comes 440 on now in the NASDAQ. Guess we're waiting on ISM. Maybe 400 today? Now we're selling hard, guys. We could get 392. 392. I can't get in here. I'm not selling the bottom, so. Oh, well. ES headed down to that 45 level. That damn well better hold. SPY puts. Gap fill is at 69. Let me just see. No, it's not. Gap fill is at 66. SPY puts. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. You can buy SPX if you guys want SPX. We'll probably get a bounce at 45, but a break of that is taking us much lower. SPX 3700s, SPX 3710s, 3720s. If you guys want option trade, SPYs as well. SPYs, I would buy in the monies or maybe just above 72s, 372s. I would not buy today's expiration. I would probably give yourself a day. We should head back to 369. And SPX. Let me just see what that today's the 5th, right? 5th. 37. Come on. 3710s are 640. I paid 660 for 3710 SPX puts. Copper, if any, copper blew out. Man, I hate when they all go at once. All right, I think I'm caught up here, guys. 45 is good support though on ES. So about 37.40s. How many did you buy? SPX. I'm assuming today's expiration. 37.40s. Yeah, they're 17.30. What'd you pay for them, Jeff? $10.80. Nice. All right, guys. NASDAQ barely hanging on. All right, Jeff. Have a good day, man. Guys, NASDAQ is coming down to 389, 390. ES is sitting on support here at 47. We have some strong support at 45. If we can get below 45, we come 37.20. 45 is going to want to hold it. If you bought 372 SPYs, your target is 69. Leak at a German nuclear power plant. Guys, I'm going to take some risk off here on SPX puts. I'm up about 35%. I'm going to take some risk off here. So if anybody has SPX puts and you'd like to reduce, just a long or a short when it crosses the 34 moving average. Anybody holding? Nice job, Scott. You held it to 85. Anybody holding crude still? And away we go. If this gets above 87.03, she blows. She blows. But 85 target hit and filled. Should have bought them 40s, Deepak, at 1980. What are they now? 24? Here comes 37.20 on the ES, fellas. Nice job, Arjan. above 87.03. Let me just give you an exact number. No, above 87.16 she blows. Now they're 23, another 30%. And running. 10 contracts, you'd be up $5 grand, $4 grand. It's only 19,000. Anybody holding SPY 372s? You're in the money. Trade them as you see fit. You're in the money. Anybody have SPYs or SPX 3710s? Should have bought them 3740s. Okay, Randy. Nice. Here goes crude. Breaking above. Here it goes. 87.05. 60 tick trade. Here she go. Come on. If this breaks here, it's going hard. It's going ham, fellas. $87.28. What's next? I'll tell you. Day high, my friend. $87.71. Final target might be $87.95. $87.95. $45 is now resistance. I'm loving that call spread, Deepak. It's got no shot of getting to 70. None. $2.80 I got. I did 10 contracts. I did 10 contracts. $2,800.